Hello guys, how are you all doing? Now, this video is about those of us that are over 40. So if you're over 40s, bring your chair, sit down, let's talk. Now, today's topic is about 7 mistakes that you ruin your skin after 40. When you are 40 and your clock is still ticking. These mistakes can be a reason that you see your skin now, your skin suddenly looks dull, suddenly looks saggy, suddenly looks tired and dry. You might be making these common mistakes that secretly age your skin faster. Okay? But today, this video is going to help you to fix it. Yeah, a bit of good news. This video is going to help you fix it if your 40s and still ticking. Your clock is still ticking. Now, what are those common mistakes? I will take them one after the other. But before I go into the main video, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician. And this channel, Chikeli Beauty, we talk about skincare, how to keep that skin glowing and radiant. So if you like what you're watching, why not click the subscribe button and subscribe and become part of this beautiful community? And if you're also here because you're not happy with your skin, click the subscribe button, subscribe, check my other videos. You will see something there that will really be helpful to you. The first common mistake is skipping sunscreen. Are you over 40s and you're skipping sunscreen? See the way my eyes are. Are you over 40s and you're skipping sunscreen? Not using SPF daily is the worst thing that you can do to your skin and is the fastest way to age your skin. Yes, your skin will age really fast. Why is that? Because UV damage causes what? Wrinkles. UV damage causes what? Dark spots. UV damage causes what? Skin sagging. Sun is the main cause of premature aging. Yes, it is. So get that sunscreen and put it on your skin. As you're looking at me, I have my sunscreen on because I will soon be going out. I have my sunscreen. Fix your skin. Use sunscreen 30 plus, SPF 30 plus every single day. Even when it is not sunny. Yes, put your sunscreen even when it's not sunny. Get it on, put it on. If you don't have one, go and buy one and start using it. The second one is overusing of harsh products. A lot of you don't know which skincare product that is for your age. Most times you go and buy skincare products that are too strong acid or scrub that can damage your skin barrier. Remember, as you're aging, your skin is getting thinner. The cells are not producing as much as, but we don't care. The cells are not producing faster as they used to do. They slow down, okay? Because they slow down, try as much as you can not to make it worse for yourself, okay? Don't over scrub your skin. Don't overuse all those strong acids that will lead to dryness, that will lead to irritation, and that will age you faster. Instead, focus on gentle, hydrating skincare. If you're going to use acid, use the ones that are gentle on the skin. Don't overly use it. Don't overly use what? All those strong acids. We are talking about the alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acid. Reduce the use of it. Skip, maybe use the azelaic, mandelic acid, those ones that are really gentle on your skin. Salicylic acid, there is nothing wrong using them. Glycolic acid, nothing is wrong using them. But when you overuse it, using every single day, it's not good. Skip. 2-3 times a week should be enough. Okay, ignoring hydration is the third one. The first one you say skipping sunscreen, second one overusing what, harsh product, and the third one is what, ignoring hydration. A lot of you skip moisturizing your skin. You have to moisturize your skin. You need to buy your moisturizer, get your serums, get the likes of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramides, peptides, retinol, all those serums that will help in hydrating your skin. As you age, your skin loses what? Moisture faster. It does. It loses moisture faster. So your skin will be screaming for hydration. Dehydrated skin is part of the signs of aging. It's one of the signs of aging. Don't let your skin to be dehydrated because you have more visible what, wrinkles. That is not what you want. How do you fix that? Use ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramide, peptides, retinol. They will help to hydrate your skin. Moisturize your skin, vitamin C. All those skincare products that will help to hydrate your skin, they are very important, especially hyaluronic acid. That is the secret of what? Prayer is a very strong hydrating ingredient, so go and get one if you don't have it. Now the fourth one is not using anti-aging ingredient. A lot of you will say, they say anti-aging, I don't really want to use all these things that say anti-aging. Well, you don't have a choice, you have to use them. You have to use them. Avoid proven ingredient that slows result. Okay, some ingredients they will tell you, oh, it's the best, is this and that. No, use the ones that you know that work good, that work well. Start using retinol. They boost what? Collagen. Any skincare ingredient that will boost collagen on your skin is what you need. The hyaluronic acid, vitamin C is perfect for boosting collagen, because you need to boost the collagen, because the collagen as you age, what, it drops. It's slow. Your skin will produce less collagen than it used to. So don't slow the collagen production down. Boost it by using retinol, vitamin C. Vitamin C brightens your skin, is so good. Now the fifth one is sleeping with makeup on. Oh, that's the worst thing you can do to your skin, is to sleep with makeup on. The worst thing, because a clogged pores it prevent skin repair what, overnight. Because when you sleep, that is when your skin goes in a repairing mode. So when you sleep with your makeup, it prevents your skin from from repairing, losing the cells and rebuilding new ones. Okay, how do you fix that? Always cleanse before bed. Use your micellar water. Even if you're tired, use micellar water. Cleanse your skin, put your serum, put your moisturizer, and off you go to bed. You're with your skin cleansed and hydrated. Now, if I'm too fast, I'm sorry. I'm going out. Let's get the sixth one. The sixth one is neglecting your neck and your hands. You see these hands? You see this neck? Aging starts from there. Aging starts from your neck and your hands. Moisturize your hands, moisturize your neck. Some of you ignore your hands and your neck. Make sure you get good moisturizer. Layer there the serum. Always layer and massage up. Massage up. Lift the skin. Lift it. See the way I'm doing it? Massage, lift, lift, lift. Do that. And when you keep doing it, you see that that place will start looking hydrated and more toned. Okay, these areas, they show aging faster than your face. They do. So take care of them. Take care of those. Take care of this. Take care of this. Okay, apply all skincare, SPF, even on your neck and your hands. Okay, serum, your neck, your hands. If you're using any exfoliant, exfoliate your hand, exfoliate your neck. You will see the difference. Okay, the seventh one is poor lifestyle habits. Poor lifestyle habits, my beautiful ladies and gentlemen. A lot of you don't eat the things that your skin needs. Lack of sleep is bad. I am one of those ones. I'm guilty of that. I'm guilty of that because of the fact that I like to pray in the night, very late. I like to do my midnight prayer. So I like this particular one. I'm guilty, so I will not judge you. I am guilty of this one. Lack of sleep is very bad for your skin. I know. What can you do? Sometimes you cannot help it. Now, stress. Are you stressed? What is stressing you? Whatever it is, try and sort it out. I know it's not easy. If you're a mother, it can be difficult. If you're working, you're doing business, you're doing a lot of things. Mothers, they wear so many hats on their heads. So I can understand. A lot of us are struggling raising our kids. So I am not blaming you because I am a mother. I know what it feels, what it takes to be a mother. So sometimes we are stressed. But whatever it is, make our time to do what? To relax. Now, let's go to the worst of it, bad diet. A lot of us don't eat fruits, we don't eat vegetables, we don't drink water, green tea, all those things that will help with boosting collagen, hydrating our skin, moisturizing our skin, keeping our skin plump. We don't do that. We eat very bad diet. All you have to do is all these things accelerate aging from within. Okay, so how do you fix it? Hydrate your skin, sleep well, and eat skin friendly foods. Fruits and vegetables, they are good for you. Drink a lot of water, a lot of green tea, skip too much caffeine. Okay, now I want to tell you this. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, I can tell you, if you avoid it, your skin can look healthier. Okay, your skin can look healthier, your skin can look smoother and more youthful, even in your 40s. I am in my 40s. Don't my skin look good? Yes, because I take care of it. No matter your age, if you look after your skin will look after you. Okay, now I ask you a question. Which mistake are you guilty of? Leave a comment below in the comment section. I want to hear it. Which mistake are you guilty of? Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.